Hello friends, welcome back. This is Chris from Bunchy Cloud Tech. Today we'll discuss about Docker. So Docker is a tool designed to make it easier to create, run and deploy and run the application using container. Okay, so we will see the some basic commands. What are how say suppose you need to search a Docker image in Docker Hub. How we would search Docker search and say the image is HTTPD, so you will do Docker search HTTPD. Download a Docker image from Docker Hub, Docker image pull, image name, image version, tag, and if you want to list out Docker image from your local system, Docker image ls, it will give pull out all the images in the system. And if you want to create, run, start Docker container from image, you need to do Docker run -d -name, container name, image version, tag. -d is run your container in background, detached mode. Expose your application to host server. How you do that? Docker run -d -p host port, container port, -name, container name, image version, tag. So basically in this example you can see Docker run -d -name HTTP server -p. This is the host port 8080 and the container port is 80 HTTPD 22. Listing out running container, how will do Docker ps. If you want to list out all Docker container, even stop terminated, Docker ps-yes ps-a. To run a OS based container within interactive mode, you have to do Docker run -it -name CentOS server CentOS later. If you need to stop a container, Docker stop container ID. How will get the container ID? Docker image ps-a, it will give. Start a container which is in stop or exit state, it will Docker start container ID. Remove Docker rm container ID. Log into Docker container, Docker exe-it container name bin bash. So what it will does is it will load into the container terminal. If you need to install Docker on Amazon Linux server, you need to first update the packages yum update -i, install Docker, that is yum install Docker y. If you're going in specifically for CentOS server, so prerequisites are two. First, install required package, that is yum utils device mapper persistent data lvm2. And second is you need to configure the repo, that is yum config manager -add repo http and the repo name. So installing Docker C, what you install the latest version of Docker C, yum install Docker -c. It will install the Docker. If you need to start a Docker system ctl, start Docker. If you want to verify Docker, sudo docker run hello world. Thank you guys, so stay tuned. Also please subscribe to our channel, like it and put your valuable comments so that we will not come to know what you think about us. So this is Chris signing for Punchy Cloud Tech. Cheers, bye.